drowning in long articles, research papers, videos, and endless content? What if I told you there's a way to summarize everything faster using ChatGPT? Watch me turn my own YouTube tutorial video and a detailed web page into actionable insights in just 90 seconds. Here's exactly what we're covering today. First, I'll reveal a dead simple ChatGPT method that lets you summarize any video, article, or web page 5 times faster than reading it yourself. You'll learn to instantly feed any content to ChatGPT and get clear, actionable takeaways every single time. I'll share my secret bonus prompt that transforms your insights into a clear visual diagram. Sound good? Let's dive in. All right, here's where it all comes together. You're about to see exactly how simple this really is. I'm going to take my own 7-minute video about finding your why with ChatGPT SWOT analysis and transform it into clear, actionable insight. No complicated prompts, no tech wizardry, just one straightforward approach that anyone can master. Here's what I love about this method. It's refreshingly simple. Watch my screen. I'm opening ChatGPT and here's my exact prompt. Please summarize the following link. That's it. Then I paste my YouTube URL right here. Notice I'm not overthinking this. No fancy instructions, no complex formatting, just a direct request. Now let's see what happens when I hit enter. See that? ChatGPT automatically recognizes it's a YouTube video and starts processing. This is taking about 15 seconds. This would have taken me 20 minutes to create manually. Let me walk you through what makes this so valuable. First, see this section here? It identified the core emotional problem, feeling stuck and lacking direction. That's exactly what my video addresses. Second, watch this part. It broke down my methodology into clear, actionable steps, prompting, reflection, and pattern identification. Now here's something really interesting. Look down here. It didn't just tell me what the video was about. It extracted the specific prompts I can use, like help me do a personal SWOT analysis to find my why. Think about this for a moment. My original video was 7 minutes long. Reading through this summary takes maybe 90 seconds, but you get all the key insights, the exact method, and a clear action plan. That's not just faster, that's transforming how you consume and apply information. And remember, this works for any content, YouTube videos, blog articles, research papers, the same simple prompt, the same powerful results. Now here's where this gets really exciting. This exact same approach works on any content online. I've got this fascinating but incredibly dense page from NASA's official science website about Mars missions, content courtesy of NASA, the kind of content that would normally take me 20 to 30 minutes to properly digest. And while ChatGPT is working, think about this. How often do you bookmark interesting articles but never actually read them because they're too long or complex? This solves that problem completely. Perfect. In under 60 seconds, ChatGPT has transformed what would have been a 20-minute reading session into this perfectly organized, scannable summary. Look at this structure. It's like having a research assistant who never gets tired. This Why It Matters section. That's the kind of context that would take me forever to piece together myself. And see how it pulls out the trending discoveries? It's doing the work of a science journalist. Now I want to show you something that takes this to the next level. What if you want to take those key insights and visualize them in a way that makes them even easier to understand and remember? That's where our bonus prompt comes in. I'm going to show you how to take the key takeaways from that NASA summary and turn them into a clear visual diagram in seconds. And there you have it. You've seen how to get 5 times better summaries from ChatGPT in just 90 seconds. But here's what I've learned. If you want to unlock its full potential, you need to master one fundamental skill first. That's why I created the complete ChatGPT prompt formula guide. In under 7 minutes, you'll discover the exact framework that turns confusing AI responses into crystal clear, actionable insights. And to help you apply this instantly, I've also put all the exact ChatGPT prompts I used in this video in a Google Doc link in the description below. Just copy, paste, and start creating. And if this just saved you hours of reading time, hit subscribe. Every week, I share simple ChatGPT strategies that help busy people like you think clearer, work smarter, and grow with confidence. No tech overwhelm, just results.